Some recipes don't need fancy ingredients, just simple flavors done right. Nutty, spicy, smoky, and packed with aroma. This chutney can instantly elevate any simple meal. We start with the hero of this recipe, fresh curry leaves. Here I have around one bunch, roughly 250 grams. They have been washed and air dried. Add them to a pan and dry roast on low heat. Take your time with this step. Slow roasting helps remove all the moisture and bring out deep earthy flavor of the curry leaves. Keep stirring continuously so they roast evenly. After around 15 minutes, the leaves become nice, crisp, and aromatic. Once done, remove them and keep aside. In the same pan, add 1 cup of peanuts. Dry roast them till they become crunchy and slightly golden. The peanut add richness and a beautiful nutty taste to the chutney. Now add 1 cup of dry coconut. Roast it gently till light golden and fragrant. That roasted coconut aroma is honestly the best part. Once roasted, remove and keep aside with the other ingredients. Now for the tempering, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Fry on medium-low heat till light golden. This gives the chutney a delicious depth and texture. Remove it and in the same oil add 2 teaspoons of jeera, followed by 12 cloves of garlic. Roast the garlic till beautifully golden and aromatic. The garlic adds a smoky, spicy kick that pairs perfectly with the curry leaves. Now let all the ingredients cool down completely. Once cooled, transfer everything into a mixer jar. Add the roasted peanuts. Along with that, add 1/4 cup of roasted chana dal. And add red chilli powder as per taste, a small lemon-sized ball of tamarind, add salt to taste. Now pulse the mixture instead of grinding it continuously. We want a coarse texture, not fine powder. And that's it. Our flavorful curry leaf dry chutney is ready. This chutney tastes absolutely amazing with hot dal rice and ghee. Simple ingredients but so much flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching.